Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I make this nice, good quesadilla bean cheese and pepperoni dip. Just follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, we're going to make us a good little on it. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of cheese on this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put this over the top of it. Okay, now we're just going to put this down really good. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put this up like that. Okay, and what you're going to do now is cut this up. And there we go. Now, one last thing. Put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there. And there you go. Simple snack, easy to make. We'll come back and give this a try. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. We're going to start with this one right here. Oh, look at that. That's good. It's very quick, very easy to make. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel, and if you do like my channel, check out my videos, other ones, and if you already subscribed, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos, and y'all have a wonderful day.